Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading demo account on One Royale. At the end of the video, we will reveal one helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential, so be sure to stick around. Let's get started. One Royale is an online, Australian regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, metals, oil, indices, cryptocurrencies, and shares. Their accounts feature classic, premium, and VIP accounts with lower spreads, no commissions, up to 11 tradable currency pairs, and live market updates. Featured platform for live and demo accounts is available on MetaTrader 4, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. If you ever require any assistance while on their website, you can click on the chat button at the bottom right of the homepage here. Submit your information, and you will then be connected with a support representative. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account with One Royale. Firstly, head over to their website at oneroyale.com. On their homepage here, at the top right of the screen, you will see Try Out Demo Account. Click on Try Out Demo. Next, fill out and submit your personal information such as your name, email address, contact number, account type, your deposit amount, currency, and leverage. After you have submitted your information, you will see "Thanks for submitting the form." What you'll want to do next is head over to the email address you specified. Your account credentials and link to download the MetaTrader platform will be available in that email. Download and install MetaTrader 4 through the link in the email that One Royale has sent you. After you have downloaded and installed the MetaTrader platform, what you'll want to do is select the Royal Demo Account server, and then log in with the account credentials that were displayed on the email sent prior. And just like that, we're in. This is a One Royale demo account on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. In the center of the dashboard here, we can see our main chart windows. You can change your chart types here from either line, candlestick, or bar charts. You can zoom in and out of the selected chart window with the magnifying glass buttons on the right side of the chart types buttons. To open a selected chart window into a full screen window, simply click on the full screen button at the top right of the selected chart window. At the top left of the chart window here, we can see our quick buy and sell or one-click trading option window. This is where we can make quick buy and sell orders on the selected instrument directly from the chart window. On the left side of the dashboard here, we can see our market watch. This displays all the currency pairs that One Royale provides on this demo account. If you would like to open an individual buy and sell order window for your preferred currency pair, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on New Order. This will then open a separate buy and sell order window for the selected pair, which displays some additional information and its own line chart. To open your preferred currency pair into its own chart window, simply right-click on the selected pair and click on Chart Window. This will then add the selected pair into its own chart, and if you would like to add a one-click trading window to your chart, simply right-click anywhere on the chart and click on One-Click Trading. This will then add a quick buy and sell order window to your newly added chart. At the bottom left of the dashboard here, we can see all the currency pairs which we have added into their own charts. You can switch between these pairs from right here. If you ever require any assistance while using MetaTrader 4, You can click on the Help button at the top left of the dashboard here. This will then display a few video guides and a Help Topics Center, which delves into various aspects of platform functionality to help you get started. One Royale also features their very own educational center, which provides some beginner and advanced video guides that explains various trading topics and methods for you to watch anytime you like. One helpful tip that could be beneficial to you if you are looking to maximize your profit potential is to consider treating trading as a business. If you are first starting out in the Forex market and you're serious about trading, one key point is to think about treating Forex trading as a professional business, and to always have the thought that small individual wins and losses don't really matter in the short term. It is how your trading performs in the long term and over time that is the most important factor. With this thought in mind, it is important that beginner traders consider to not become too emotionally attached to their wins and losses, and treat trading the markets as just another day at work. Just like business, trading Forex will add up some expenses, taxes, losses, and volatility with a lot of uncertainty. Becoming successful at Forex trading will not happen overnight, so think about the appropriate planning, goals, and education to ensure success through a more organized experience, while trying your best to learn the most from failure, which can be one step to becoming a more successful individual trader. And that's how to open a demo account with One Royale. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. And that's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. And as always, good luck.